Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's me Rose here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram two-factor authentication code is not received. If you are trying to log in and you have set up two-factor authentication, then it will text you a code when you are trying to log in to make sure that's actually you. So first enter your phone number, username or email and password, and then it will text you a code, but you never get that two-factor authentication code. The first thing you can do is swipe down to the bottom of the screen and make sure your do not disturb is toggled off. The next thing is go to the message, tap on profile on the top right corner of the screen, then tap on messages settings, then tap on notifications. Make sure that you have toggled on your incoming messages. Once you have done that, now your Instagram two-factor authentication code will be received. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon, and thanks for watching.